In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the danger diagonal stripes in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I had to make an edit to one of the clips on this video. I went to replace footage, and I replaced it with the footage, and it had the same name and everything. But some of the footage showed up normally, and some of it showed up with these diagonal lines that you can see here. And it's actually throughout my whole video. So this is a problem because right here I can see my clip, but when I go right here, my screen is black, so I can't see anything. So this is how you fix it. You click on the clip with the diagonal stripes, you right click it and say reveal in project at the bottom. So it's going to show your project window and it's going to highlight the file right here. So I in fact have this file, it's in the project, so that's not the problem. Let me go right back to this clip, right click it again, and I'm going to say replace with clip from bin. The bin is everything over here that is in the project. So I'm going to replace the clip from bin, and there you go. It works again. Now I'm going to try to select multiple clips and see if I can replace them all at one time. I'm going to go back to replace with clip from bin, and it fixed them all at once. So you can multi-select. That's pretty helpful. So that's how you fix the diagonal stripe issue in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.